like कहीं किसी जगह पे नहीं लिखा हुआ कि आपने अपने इन-लॉज के साथ रहना है, आपने इधर रहना है, उधर रहना है. You know, I really do believe that you should have, if you can afford it,
But
आपका
Ramana, even
individual.
if, quite frankly, because I've experienced both, I've experienced living separately and living with family. So I will say कि एक तो the guy that you marry, that really matters. What kind of
course, I
person
think
he is.
that's all that
the kind
matters.
of person he is and the kind of relationships he keeps. You know, like हमने कभी माशाल्लाह से, you know, I feel like I should touch it.
I'll do it for you.
You know, it's.
अगर ना लकड़ मिले तो सर पे मार दिया करो.
कि हमने कभी किसी से अपने मसले नहीं डिस्कस किए, घर में किसी से नहीं. मैंने कभी अपनी अम्मी के पास नहीं गई, अपनी बहन या अपनी दोस्तों के पास भी कि ओ, एंड दिस वाज राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट व्हेन वी गॉट टुगेदर कि ओ अच्छा ये हुआ है, अब मैं क्या करूं. Neither does he. We don't involve external people into our relationship.
Yeah.
We try to work out the problems, and alhamdulillah we've been able to do it. कोई इतना alhamdulillah मसला भी नहीं हुआ कि हम खुद ही ना solve
कर सकें.
But because a lot of people do that, then everybody feels like we have a right to have an opinion.
No, and also really matters is कि I mean I think कि like I mean I'm not married, but I have a lot of friends who are married, and I see all sorts of marriages. You know, all sorts of different types of marriages, and they're not like cookie cutter. And what I kind of started to understand was कि it is actually one of those relationships that you have the autonomy to design for yourself. You are not bound by a box कि ये शादी is what it should look like. It should be between two people. How they, now there are, I mean, like, I'm sorry, आप like whether you think it's बेहयाई या जो भी है, मैं जो बातें कहूँगी ये reality है, पाकिस्तान में exist करती हैं. Agree करना आप करें, नहीं करना ना करें, है ये सही. But I mean, there are part-time marriages, there are open marriages, there are nuclear marriages, there are all sorts of marriages. You know what I mean? It's like people are designing what works for them.
Yeah.
And then there are marriages that jo like, I mean, I've seen people who got married really young, high school sweethearts, 20 years down, changed as people. Completely changed as people. So it's not like the love went away, nothing went away. Their goals are no longer aligned. So they parted ways. Yes, it's painful because there are kids involved. There is an entire family breaking apart. But like, I mean, also I remember कि जब Bill Gates and Melinda Gates were getting divorced, and people are like, how could they get divorced after this many years of marriage? I'm like, maybe their final goals in the next phase of their lives, they don't fit in anymore. And it is very likely. हो सकता है. और अगर आप space दें लोगों को to grow on their own, unless you're not growing together, and you're not giving that space, you will grow apart.
Yeah. I think there's always, it's very important to have a really good friendship with your partner.
Of course.
I think even more than love. Because really at the end of the day, that's the thing that binds you. That कि आप एक दूसरे से converse कैसे कर सकते हैं. There are a lot of people who maybe, you know, his and my interests in many ways are not the same.
Yeah.
You know, he's a Punjabi boy. You know, we come from very, very different thinking processes even sometimes.
Yeah.
But we have a lot of common ground in the way that we react to life, or in the
moral
way that
compass होगा ना
moral
आपका.
compass हमारा बड़ा
moral
same है.
compass is something जो लोग I think उसको देखते ही नहीं है.
हाँ, and the fact of the matter is अगर हम दोनों साथ भी नहीं होते तो हम दोस्त तो होते ही.
हाँ.
Definitely.
Yeah.
He's somebody who I take his opinion about